Can GoDaddy host an HTML website? Yes, GoDaddy can host an HTML website. In fact, GoDaddy offers various hosting plans that can be used to host simple HTML websites, along with more complex sites. Here's how you can host your HTML website on GoDaddy. 1. GoDaddy hosting plans for HTML websites. GoDaddy provides multiple hosting options that can support HTML websites. Shared hosting. Price starts at $2.99 per month. Features. This is the most affordable option for hosting static HTML websites. It includes easy one-click installations, basic website building tools, email hosting, free domain for the first year. Shared hosting is ideal if you're hosting a simple HTML website with low traffic or if you're just starting out. VPS Hosting. Price starts at $4.99 per month for the basic plan. Features. For more control over the server environment, you can use VPS Hosting. VPS is suitable for websites with higher traffic or custom server configurations. You get root access, allowing you to install software and manage server settings yourself. You can configure the server for specific needs, such as Node.js or more dynamic websites, although it's also good for HTML sites. Dedicated hosting. Price starts at $89.99 per month. Features. Dedicated hosting is the best choice for high-traffic websites that need complete server control. If your HTML website grows significantly or you need more resources, a dedicated server can be a great option. Website Builder Hosting. Price starts at $6.99 per month. Features. If you prefer a more user-friendly approach to building and hosting an HTML website, GoDaddy's Website Builder plan provides templates and tools for easy website creation without coding.